Email marketing can drive business growth, but common mistakes can unravel your best-laid plans, so watch closely. One major pitfall is skipping your planning process. Without a plan, your emails may lack impact and purpose. Ignoring customer segmentation is another critical error. Sending generic emails fails to resonate with your audience and can lead to disengagement. One of your biggest challenges is optimizing for mobile devices. Did you know that half of all emails are opened on mobiles? Are you guilty of overloading your emails with content? Too much information can overwhelm readers, causing them to lose interest quickly. Additionally, overlooking analytics is like sailing without a compass. Ignoring data denies you insights needed to enhance your email strategy. Don't forget the importance of a compelling call to action. A strong CTA directs your recipients and encourages them to engage. Mastering email marketing requires avoiding these common blunders. Focus on delivering value to forge genuine connections that result in loyalty.